Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning everyone. Today is Friday, 27 of December. And it's already 4:15 kaya kailangan natin magmadali dahil 15 minutes walk pa po ang akin. So, ayan, everyone, back to work Friday. And then, off ng Saturday and Sunday. And then, back to work again ng Monday and Tuesday. 30-31. And, yan na, January na, counting again. Yan, 2025 na. Ilang araw na lang everyone. So, this is it. And then, medyo pagi dito ngayon everyone. At, ayun. Yan ang ating OOTD of the day. So, hindi naman medyo malamig. Medyo lang pala. I mean, hindi super lamig. Ang temperature is 6. The lowest is 6 and the highest is 7 I think or 9. Ayun lang at the moment. Yeah. Let us see. TGIF nga pala ngayon. Thank God it's Friday. So, let us see. Whole day out po ako ngayon. Whole day out. What I mean is whole day work. Ayun lang. Hopefully, walang mga sa sasakyan. So, stay at home lang ng 25th and 26th. So, ito na ulit, 27 is out. Dahil kailangan mag-back to work. Yun lang everyone. See you when I see you. See you after 15 minutes and 15 minutes walk and what is that? One bus. Yeah. Bye at the moment. Kain tayo everyone. Cholesterol. Ayan ang akin. Yan everyone. After 3 hours, I'm done. So, that is how it is. And have a look on this. This is the busy place every day like this on this time, but now it's like no one except me. No. Daan to ng papunta ng South Kensington Station everyone. Yeah. Paglabas nito is train station na. Kaya always busy dito. Every day, every night. Hanggang sa the whole day. 24/7. Something like that. But now it's not. So, that's it at the moment. See you on the train. Because I'm going again to Hanwell. And today is Friday. Everywhere. Pagka rainy days, tag-ulan yan, pwede ka dito dumaan. Mas convenient. Pero pagka yung maaraw, summer, yan, konti lang dumadaan dito. Kasi mas gusto nilang dumaan dun sa taas nito. Yan, sa taas nito. Yeah. Yun lang, everyone. At the moment, bumibili ng gusto kong kainin pag wala akong baon. Ayan. Fresh bake. Tapos, uy, may naligaw dito, kalapate. Hindi niya alam kung saan siya dadaan. So, even the train is not busy. Ayan o, bango naman ng naaamoy ko. Sana naaamoy nyo rin yung naaamoy ko. Nakakagutom. Ayun lang. Dito na tayo sa train station. Bye at the moment, everyone. Ayan, everyone. I'm already here in Ealing Broadway. Look, yeah, guys. But since there's no Elizabeth line, I don't know how to. Yeah, so I'd rather go back home, and Tina allow me to not possible to work for today. Yeah, next ano na lang, next Friday na. Yay! Thank you Lord for the blessing again. Survive. And then yung sa Pilipinas din, okay na rin, no problem na rin, everything is good. Thank you Lord talaga, dahil sobra pa ang expectation. So ayun, God bless everyone. See you when I see you. Everyone, platform 4, dahil uwi na ako. I'm not feeling well. I feel dizzy this morning, so I don't know why. So let's go home and have a rest because I'm not feeling well. Yun lang. Maghintay tayo dito ng Jubilee line to go home. I've just called Tina because there's no Elizabeth line. I've been in Ealing Broadway, but there's no Elizabeth line, so I don't know how to take the bus. That's why. So yun, naiwan ako ng train. Hintay na lang tayo. Ayan na, wala na, umalis na. So in how many minutes?
We're waiting for trains to be used at all levels of the platform.
4 minutes. In 4 minutes.
The train, and please mind the gap between the
Yeah.
train and the platform.
In 4 minutes, may darating. In 3 minutes, may darating. A train going toward Istanbul. This one is West Hampstead. So, I don't want to take that one. But, yeah. This one is hanggang West Hampstead. But, it's okay. Everyone, oh. Dito na ako sa West Hampstead. One stop na lang. Ay, hindi. Dalawa na lang. Para maging Willesden Green. Kaso mo, dito nag-terminate and foggy today. I don't know what's the weather. That's foggy. Still foggy. So, ayun lang. Dito lang tayo. Wait for another train. Yan. Sumama yung pakiramdam ko. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari sa akin. I'm not feeling well. Hindi ko alam kung anong umaatake sa akin. Nakain ko na lahat ng baon ko. Saging, yung ano, may isa na lang natitira kasi hindi ko alam kung nagugutom ako. Ayun, train yan. Yan ako sasakay. Nakainom na rin ako ng tubig. Parang gusto kong sumukat na hindi ko alam kung anong nararamdaman ko. Kaya uwi na lang tayo sa bahay. Ayan everyone, nakabalik na naman tayo dito sa Wembley, the signature place. Pero before that, meron lang akong titingnan dito everyone. But before that, let's go to the toilet first. Dahil pipi na ako. Yan ang mga sale nila. Discount up to 50%. The Levi's and everything, lahat nandito. Wala nang since yesterday is the Boxing Day, pero lessen na yung mga tao. Ano, kahapon daw is marami talagang pila sa, especially sa bayaran, yung ganyan. Ayan. Ang Guess, ang super dry, kaya let's wait. May Tommy, may Calvin Klein. So, meron akong titingnan dito everyone. Visit lang muna. Until sa, ayan o. Malapit to sa Holiday Inn. Yan. Bye everyone. See you later. Ayan everyone. I've done my toilet. And that's it. Let's go to my proper destination. I'm going here and I'm going there. Kasi maaga pa ngayon kaya unti lang ang tao. So mamaya diyan tayo patay. Ayan meron dito yung Clark. Ayan. Guest Clark. Hanapin ko yung meron dito yung Lind. Ayan yung chocolates na Lind. Ayan ko dito yung bagis. Ayan pero wala na sila yung ayon pala. Ayan pakita natin. Pasok tayo. Yung tingnan natin. Ayan diba? Per yan, mamili ka by choices kung ano. Ayan everyone, ang dami, iba-iba. Oh, this one, this is nice, the big one. The big one din. Aray ko sakit. This one ang laki meron din sila yung ganito, nakasupot. Ay, naka-box na. And this one. Yeah. You can take all of it. Ayun lang, everyone. Meron pa silang smile. Yung mga emoji. Naka-box na yan. Everyone, dito ako napapasok sa Levi's, pero meron ako nakita. Ayan o. Grabe, di ba? Guys! Hello guys! Nagtitingin ako dito sa Levi's, yung may nakalagay na London Levi's. Ay wala. Puro mga plain. Ganito lang oh. Di ba? Talo ng Philippines. Sa Philippines meron, di ba? Oh, ganda nito. Ito rin ang ganda. Ba't kasi hindi mo ipit? Especially this one, if you want to try, ay V-shape yan. Ang ganda kasi yung may logo na gano'n. Tapos ayun, oh, yun ang kanyang napag-typan. Ayun, everyone. Pero bibili lang muna ako sapatos. Uwi na tayo, everyone. Have a look. It's nice. Yeah. Oh, diba? Uwi na tayo, everyone. At ako ay nagugutom na. 1:45. Time check. 1:45. Wala ako nabili kasi it's the same. The same price. Mas mahal pa. Nung pumunta ako na hindi Boxing Day is 51 point something. Pero ngayon, parang ang ginawa nilang discount is if you buy 2, the second pair is is 30% discount, and the first pair is the same price. Mas mahal pa naging. Yung gusto ko is 55.99. So what can I do? So better go home and buy nothing. Don't buy nothing. Don't buy anything. I mean, ayun lang kasi pwede pa naman yung sapatos ko. Pagtiyagaan ko na lang. Yun lang, everyone. Dahil sayang ang pera. Puro gastos. Kailangan huwag maggagastos dahil merong mga project sa bahay, hindi ang sapatos sa paa. Yun lang, everyone. Ayan, everyone, oh, sobrang foggy, diba? Sobrang foggy. Kaya ang lamig dito. So, uwi na lang tayo. Uwi na again. Mag-train tayo para madali. Mabilis lang yan. Sandali lang, Willesden. Next stop. Oh, diba? Bye at the moment. See you later. Kain tayo, everyone. Sakto, may luto si Gerson. Oh, pagdating ko. Spaghetti. So, ayan, ang monitor ng anak. Ayan, oh, nakamonitor ako sa anak ko. Ay, sinatawagan ko, hindi naman sumasagot. Siya ay, ayun yung, siguro tulog. Napagod sa pagpila sa pagbabayad sa Amelia, everyone. Ay, pobresita. Ngayon, siya yung nag-aasikaso ng mga ganun-ganon kasi siya yung nasa Pilipinas. At least, may nautusan ako, di ba? Ayun lang, everyone. God bless and kain tayo. Pagoda si Lola. Kahit hindi nagtrabaho sa Hanuel kasi walang sasakyan. Walang Elizabeth lang. Ayan, everyone, 3:28. Labas ko dito sa bahay. Grabe, ang foggy, oh. It's just 3:28, pero ano kayang parang mausok. Sabi ko kanina nung pumunta ako sa Wembley. Wembley outlet. Sa akala ko cost lang yun nung naglilinis. Yung pala talagang foggy, kaya ayan hanggang ngayon dito. Sobra. Siguro sa ibang lugar nag-i-snow. Pero dito sa city, dito kasi kami sa city kaya walang snowball. Yun lang everyone, bibisit lang ako dun sa panggabi kong trabaho. Dahil hindi ako minessage ni building manager. And see you after an hour. Bye bye. Ayan everyone. Good evening everyone. Uwian na po. Pero nakabili ako. Dumaan ako sa Savers. Kasi may binili ako. Tapos ayun. Ayan at ayun. Oh, sobrang foggy, diba everyone? Oh, ganda ng kanilang ano. Sobrang labo talaga. Para kaming ano to. Nasa Baguio talaga. Everyone. Anong oras na? Time check lang natin. Time check. Wait lang. Oh, maaga pa. 6:25 pa lang. Diba? Yun lang everyone. Dahil see you when I see you. Good night and God bless. Good evening everyone. Kain tayo. Eating time while watching the tango. Ayun lang everyone. Ang aking dinner for today is munggo with chicharon and my ginger tea is there. So, sorry, nagkamali ako. Dapat pala chamomile ngayon, hindi ginger tea. Forgot because I thought today is our first day. It's my first day to back to work, but I forgot. Today is Friday. Okay, everyone, good night. God bless and I love you all. Sa totoo lang, hindi ako not feeling well ako dahil hindi ko alam kung saan nanggagaling tong vertigo ba to, dizziness or what, or yung acid ko. Dati wala naman ako, so ngayon ayan, nagkaroon na ako. Yung acid ko umaatake, so inumin natin to mamaya. Si gastro resistant tablet, yan, iinumin natin yan. Ang dami ko na namang iinumin, grabe diba? Ayun, tsaka yung vitamins, puno ng vitamins. Ayun lang, that's it. Good night, God bless, and I love you all.